Good afternoon. So today we're going to replace my factory reverse lights with the GTR lighting 1000 lumen. So it's going to be much brighter on the trails when you're backing up. You know, we're going to eventually have our off-road bumper with LED lights as well, but just for now, we'll swap out the old ones for these new ones. For this, you're going to need a Torx 15, a T15 bit. You're going to have these two screws here you got to take out. Just like that. And once you get those two out, just got to grab it and pull it towards you. It clips on the back. Sometimes it's gonna fight you.
Dang.
There we go.
It's kind of hard.
So just gotta grab it, work with it, and then pull it out. Got the two tabs that go in there. Okay, so you got the lights here. This is the one we're replacing. So you can just counterclockwise turn out. Yeah. Yeah. Eventually we'll change all the rest of the bulbs, but for now, we're just gonna reverse lights.
So is the replacement lights, are they going to be the same color or different?
Yeah, it's going to be a bright white for reverse lights.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then these are going to be replacements. So you can get different lumens if you want. Not as bright. You know?
Mm-hmm.
So the light bulb just pulls out just like that. You got this. Now, if you put it in, you gotta test it and make sure it actually works. If it doesn't work, then you just flip it.
Flip it.
So right now I'm gonna test it and see if it actually works.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in reverse right now.
Mm-hmm. There. Oh, wow, that's very bright.
Compare the other one.
Yes. Okay, good. Yes. So this is the old one, which is yellowish, and then here's the new one, which is white bright. I don't know if you can actually see the difference, but it's white. It's white. I'll take farther. Oh, you cannot tell, but it's white. So that one, the one that you're holding, is the old one.
Mm-hmm.
And this one,
that's the new one.
this one is the new one,
Mm-hmm.
which is from
GTR
lighting. Awesome. Okay, let's continue to the other one.
Alright, so for the other side, it's going to be the exact same way. We'll show you the footage of the difference between the old and then the new. So
Okay.
that way you guys can relate.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We just got done changing the reverse lights on our Z71 from regular to LED. We got them from the company GTR Lighting. Pretty easy. Two screws and you pop them out. The only hard part might be just popping the taillights out. We paid about $95 for the pair. So, but I mean, you're gonna pay money for good products. They're not some eBay brand or whatever. So They should last a pretty good time. And you know, there's a big difference. Maybe on the film you can't really tell the big difference, but in person you really can. So I mean, if you have any questions or any suggestions, just comment below. Also, just a reminder, we'll have the link in the description where we got it from, and that's pretty much it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Our next video, we're going to chrome delete our badges, like the bow tie and the lower bumper area, just with vinyl wrapping. It's our first time vinyl wrapping, so we're going to attempt it and see if we can do it. And then after that, we have some goodies to open up from Rough Country. So as you can see right here, we have plenty of boxes to do.
Santa Claus came early this year.
We're not sponsoring anything. This is paid by our hard-earned cash. So most of this is Rough Country, our lift kits from Rough Country. We've had it for over a year now and we love it. So we'll try out everything else from them. If we don't like it, then obviously we're gonna let everyone know. But until next time, ciao.